And people all over the social media is like, shame on you, Sunil Gavaskar, you were a legend. Namaste and welcome back to my channel Ironic Vlogs. तो कल से Twitter and my Instagram feed has been flooded with Anushka Sharma and Sunil Gavaskar sir. I don't know whether it's a controversy or I don't know. But फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैटर क्या है यहाँ पे, तो मैं ट्विटर पे गई एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू स्क्रोल एंड ऑल आई सॉ वाज आई सपोर्ट अनुष्का, आई सपोर्ट सुनील, आई सपोर्ट दिस एंड दैट. बट फिर मैंने देखा कि एक्चुअल मैटर क्या था. एंड देन आई सॉ अनुष्का पोस्टिंग दिस स्टोरी. एंड आई वाज लाइक, इतना बड़ा मैटर हो गया क्या? So I again went to Twitter and I started to find that video of 24th of September RCB versus Punjab का match, in which like this is what Sunil Gavaskar said actually में.
अब जो लॉकडाउन था तो सिर्फ अनुष्का की बॉलिंग की प्रैक्टिस की उन्होंने, वो दिखाई वीडियो देखिए, तो इससे तो कुछ नहीं बनना है.
उनके अपार्टमेंट में वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे.
And this is how it was interpreted by the fans. Okay, well, not denying the fact that Anushka has always been criticized for Virat's performance before her marriage and after she got married as well. But where she reacted was for no reason. Like, if you see that video again, it wasn't like Virat got out and then Sunil sir stated that statement. It was like when he just came into bat and then he said ki he didn't face bowlers like Bumrah and all in lockdown. He just bat to Anushka's bowling, which where does it become a sexiest comment on a woman? Like, did she actually played a feminist role here? Like, she says that why am I always being dragged into cricket, then what is this? And there comes such responsible citizens of our country. It was so well interpreted by the fans of Anushka and Virat and media तो मतलब इतनी गंदे तरीके से इसको लाइक वो किया ना, चेंज. लाइक ही सेड बॉलिंग एंड दिस इज व्हाट मीडिया एंड फैंस डिड. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू चेंज द सेंटेंस it's of course gonna sound bad and like that. So this is what actually happened and people misquoted Sunil Gavaskar so bad, which was nothing to do with this controversy. Like, it wasn't even meant to be a controversy because it was a very casual statement. It wasn't a sex, like how did it become a sexy? And there comes a Bollywood feminist, in fact pseudo feminist, and people all over the social media is like, shame on you, Sunil Gavaskar, like, you were a legend. And if he was a legend, you guys have seen him playing, you guys know how he is. How can you even think he would say such thing to a woman who is pregnant? And to be honest, it was a publicity stunt for me, because if she like she behaves, she's mature and she's a mature lady and something like that, she would know the intention of the person and she would know on what thing he said that. And it wasn't like sarcastic or intention, it was nothing like that. I don't know in what sense she took it at, but what we see, like a mature person knows what it actually was. So just don't believe social media, because like I felt so bad that he had to come on Aaj Tak.
देखिए, आकाश चोपड़ा और मैं हिंदी में कमेंट्री कर रहे थे उस कल के मैच के बारे में. तो आकाश ने वहां पे कहा था कि जो भी खिलाड़ी है उनको प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका नहीं मिला है. ये लॉकडाउन में किसी को भी प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका नहीं मिला है. और मैंने वही कहा कि विराट कोहली को भी कोई चांस नहीं मिला था लॉकडाउन में प्रैक्टिस करने का. और एक जो वीडियो निकला था कि वो अपने कंपाउंड में खेल रहे थे, क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे, उसी वीडियो के को देखकर जो मैंने देखा था पहले, उससे मैंने कहा कि उन्होंने सिर्फ अनुष्का की बॉलिंग खेली है बस. पर इसमें मैं किसी को दोषी नहीं करना चाह रहा था. मैं ना अनुष्का को दोषी करना चाह रहा था. मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाह रहा था कि किसी को भी विराट कोहली हो, MS धोनी हो, रोहित शर्मा हो, जो भी हो, किसी को भी प्रैक्टिस करने का, इस लॉकडाउन में प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका नहीं मिला। बस यही मेरा कहने का इरादा था, ना किसी को दोषी ठहराने का।
लेकिन
Also, in yesterday's match, Delhi versus CSK, he just for 3 or 4 minutes he had to explain himself that what he actually said, which was a very sad thing for me.
कि वो किसी को दोषी ठहरा रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा उसके बाद में काफी दिनों बाद वो आउट हुए थे। तो मैं जिन सबको कहता हूँ उससे वापस देखिएगा, उसको वापस सुनिएगा और उसके बाद में फिर आपको जो कहना है कहिएगा। दूसरा कोई कह रहा है कि दूसरा कोई हेडलाइन बना रहा है, उसको मत सुनिएगा। अपने कानों से, अपने आंखों से देखिए और फिर जो कहना है कहिए। मेरा मन तो साफ है कि मैंने ऐसी कुछ बात नहीं की जिससे मैंने किसी को दोषी ठहरा दिया, ना मैं किसी तरह की सेक्सिस्ट बात की।
Look, we all know what is happening to women in our country, but in that case we just can't, if she's a woman and she's pregnant, we just can't run to her and say that he did wrong or whatever, because it was wrong. If you guys would have just tried to figure it out what it actually was, you guys would understand that she is wrong. मैं नहीं बोल रही कि she is wrong, because she might have a different opinion, something like that, but it was wrong from my side. And of course, जिनको पता है, who saw the video, who's mature enough to understand the video, would know that it's wrong. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And once again, do not rush into things which you don't know, rather find out what it actually was and you will come to know. So yeah, bye guys and stay safe.